I'm at Blooming Junction this morning with Ron, and you know, Ron, these days we're kind of concerned. We really want to be safe during wildfire season, and we really need to watch about our landscape. And so I know that you've been doing a lot of research about that, and so what are you finding?
Well, you know, I'm finding that one, the best protection is to keep your plants properly cleaned up, especially deciduous shrubs and things like that. Cut out the old wood, your trees and stuff like that. Make sure they're in good shape. And when you do new plantings or decide to change things out, choose plants like we have here that are fire resistant.
Ah, nice.
And fire resistant doesn't necessarily mean that this plant won't burn up in severe fire. It just means it won't act as a fuel source for that fire.
Ah, right. So those are really great tips about that. So there really is a nice selection, and for different kinds of plants for our garden.
Huge selection.
Nice,
yeah.
nice. So let's start over here.
All right, so I chose some of my favorites from the vast lists out there. Some of these are ground covers, which is good to have if you're having plantings up close to your house. We have the vinca, the silver pachysandra, the ajuga. Makes very nice ground cover. Of course, the hens and chicks and the sedums. Ice plant is a really good one for mass plantings, as is the wild strawberry.
And you know, I'm seeing that there's a lot of foliage, and so foliage holds water, so maybe that's part of the idea.
That is right, especially with the fleshy foliage that has the water, the sedums like this one here, this sun sparkler. That'll definitely help prevent them from accelerating.
Excellent. And then we go into some other kind of flowering
plants.
plants.
Got this cute little Daydream armeria here. Keeping with this this theme, we have Virginia, which is nice and fleshy, lots of moisture in here. Your heucheras, your hostas. The Yarrow is a really nice one here. I really like this Roseanne geranium. The stackies is very nice plant also. Coreopsis, of course, beautiful all summer long bloomer. And then we have grass and grass-like plants here. We have a nice variegated Japanese iris, the Kniphofia, the red hot poker, and the sedges. And the sedges make nice mass plantings also.
Mm-hmm. And really, it's nice to have, I mean, you don't have to have like a bland kind of garden or anything like this. There's a lot of texture, a lot of different kind of plants to make it interesting too.
Absolutely, absolutely. And then we have
even
some
shrubs
and subshrubs. The cistus, which is a summer bloomer. You've got your box honeysuckle and the Caryopteris here. This one's particularly pretty with its yellow foliage.
That is nice. And then when the blue flowers come, it's really a nice contrast.
Yeah.
And then a couple bigger shrubs.
We have your red twig dogwood here.
Nice.
Makes a nice taller shrub.
Winter interest.
And ironically, we have burning bush, the Euonymus salata compacta.
It is kind of funny.
It is. It is, considering the topic, but what a beautiful plant in the fall.
Ron, this really is a great selection of plants, and you know, it's not just about cleaning up, make sure you get all that dry debris out from around your house, but it's about planting smartly and choosing the plants smartly. So really, come out to Blooming Junction, look for the Blooming Advantage plants, and also go to the Garden Time website to find out how to get out here. Ron, thanks so much.
Thank you.